Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious fennel root curry. This goes to perfectly with rice, bread, roti or paratha. It's healthy and very easy to make. Let's see how to make this. First clean the fennel bulbs. Remove any damaged outer layer of leaves. Next slice them into a thin strips like this. Put the wash fennel to a pot and slice onion, garlic, green chilies, pandan leaf, curry leaves and a piece of cinnamon, half a teaspoon coriander powder, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, salt to taste and half a teaspoon of chili powder. Pour in 1 cup of thin coconut milk. Mix everything well. Cover and cook on medium heat for about 10 minutes. While that's cooking, let's prepare the tempering. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a separate pan. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seed and 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, quarter cup of onion, curry leaves and dried chilies. Fry until they turn golden brown. Now turn off the heat and add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Mix it quickly and pour this tempering into our main curry. Now add 1 cup of thick coconut milk. Let it simmer on medium heat for another 5 minutes until the gravy thickens. And it's done. Our flavorful fennel root curry is ready to be served. Give this a try and let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will be back with another recipe soon. Bye.